False. It is true. Well, I'm not about to give you the correct numbers, but the exchange programs have been between Russians and Uzbek have much extensive. We welcome Tajik students who wish to undergo studies, to study and get the Russian standard education and Russian educational establishments, and their number, I think, goes up to thousands, more than a few thousands. Exchange of teachers has been also quite active, and lots of Tajik Russian-speaking teachers undergo training in Russia, and the Russian teachers come in this country to arrange kind of master classes. So I believe due to the fact that the Russian-speaking sort of audience in this country has been shrinking since lately, that the position of the Russian language education stays as strong as they have ever been. And I believe it's a good sign, because Russia can provide a good standard of education. And I think the United States should join hands with us in raising the educational level in this country, the training of